Hi, welcome to Go Science Classroom series. Today we are going to see the demonstration of a solar street light project. In this project, we have a street light model which is integrated with a small LED light, a 5-volt solar panel to demonstrate the light glowing, a base sheet model, green grass model, a house model, a wooden block to rest the solar panel, a small toy car and a road model mimicking a road with a vehicle. So let's first place the solar panel. At the back you could see the panel is wired and glued. So we have this wooden block for the solar panel to rest. Please place the solar panel like this, and on the front side you could see the street light model has a hole, and we have already connected a screw so you could mount the street light. Just insert the street light to the screw and place the car. So with this the model is assembled and we are good to go. Before we see the demonstration, I would like to share few things with you. So this model is strictly intended as educational proof of concept demonstration of a solar powered smart street light. In real world commercial street lights, the system incorporate solar charge controller driver boards and rechargeable batteries to store power during the daytime and automatically illuminate at night. This kit is intentionally designed to provide a clear, simple and direct light-to-light demonstration. So now let's see the demonstration. I am going to use a mobile phone's torchlight to see the demonstration. So you could see whenever I show the light on the solar panel, the LED light glows. To give you a better perspective, I'll turn off the lights and show you the demonstration. So you could see whenever the light is shown on the panel, the LED light glows. You could also show it from a distance, or you could also take it closer to the solar panel, a distance around 5 to 7 centimeters, and you could see the LED light working based on the solar panel. So this is how the kit works.